What's up, y'all? Chef Chubb here, and today we're going to be making perfect chicken breast.
First, go get yourself a nice chicken breast and let her sit out for 20 minutes. Then get some wax paper and put one under and over the chicken and start pounding away with a hammer or a roller. After that, you're going to season her up with some salt and pepper and don't be shy on the salt. Give her a lot. Now you can flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now go over to your cooking surface, take a cast iron skillet, put it on medium-high heat, drizzle in some olive oil, wait 30 seconds for the oil to heat up, and then you're going to take your chicken.
I'm going to place it, and that's the sound you want to hear. Now the key here is 4 minutes aside. Don't touch it, don't play with it, just let it go, let it cook. Let it do its magic, baby.
After those 4 minutes are up, go ahead and flip your chicken over and take a look at that brown, juicy crust. Now you guessed it, 4 minutes on the other side, and you're going to take it off here, but let it lay out on a fresh cutting board for about 5 minutes to let the juices soak up.
Now the 5 minutes are up and your chicken's nice, juicy, and tender, it's your choice to do whatever you want with it.
In my personal opinion, the best use of chicken breast is actually to throw it in with some pasta or brown rice. I'm going to use pasta here, and if you're trying to gain muscle mass, this is a great way to do it, as it blends a combination of protein and carbohydrates.
Follow for more recipes.